In this video, we're going to talk to you about a IGOR idiosyncrasy that sometimes leaves you with what I call orphan waves in your experiment folder. So the way that happens is when you move stuff around after you've saved in an IGOR experiment. So I'm going to take this GRA CCSF wave and I'm going to move it up into root. Now, if I save the experiment, you'll see that now this GRA CCSF wave is in essentially the root area of the experiment folder. But if we go back and look at GRA here, what you'll see is there's still a copy in the GRA. That's because, for some strange reason, in IGOR, once you've saved data in a particular location, even if you move it and then resave the experiment, it doesn't show that change. I've actually complained to the wave metrics people about this, and although they are responsive to a lot of comments and stuff I've made over the years, in this one they're pretty adamant that they're not going to change anything about this process. So we had to do something ourselves to take care of it. And what we did is made a function up here in the functions menu called clean experiment folders. And when you do that, what happens is the macro goes through and checks everything in the experiment folders versus everything that's in the actual data browser of the experiment, and eliminates these orphans. So I'm going to do this, and you see now that that GRA CCSF is gone and it only exists over here. Now, something you better not do, by the way, don't ever move stuff around within the demo experiment folder. You always have to do that within the experiment. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to return this, and I'm going to save. And now you see it is back, but it wasn't eliminated from the root area. So we'll once again go up to functions, clean the experiment folders, get rid of the orphan. Now, actually, in running this experiment, the orphans don't bother you because they're not in the data browser and you're not really accessing them in the experiment. The only time this really causes problems is if you're loading things from the demo experiment or from the experiment folder into a totally different experiment. Then you may get these orphans if they're still existent. So I run that clean experiment folders fairly regularly, but you don't have to do it every time you save. Eventually what I'd like to do is make that some sort of a automatic that runs when you close an experiment, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So that's it about cleaning experiment folders. Just kind of try to remember to do it every once in a while. Of course, if you're using packed experiments, it doesn't happen. And it doesn't happen, you don't create orphans if you're sharing waves. It's only the waves that you create within the UnPacked experiment. So that's it.